Okay guys, today we are going to look at this 3-bedroom apartment, 17 residents. So just to show you a quick video, when you come into the house, in front you have the living space. Alright, so you have a 2-piece sofa, 3-seater and 2-seater, and also a coffee table with a TV table. Alright, but they don't have a TV, TV is not provided. Okay, and then you have a balcony in front. The balcony is facing the swimming pool, so it's very nice. The house also comes with full curtain. Yeah, these are all double railing curtains. However, the curtain as of now is currently being washed. Yeah, so that the next person that stays here would have clean and fresh curtains. Okay, so now we will just turn behind and see from the other side. Okay, so this is the dining area. Dining area comes with a coffee table, wooden themed dining table with 6 chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also comes with a fridge, a 2-door fridge. On top is the freezer, below is the chiller. The brand is Hitachi. Alright, it comes with the fridge. And then it comes with a developer provided kitchen cabinet, 2-piece sink, and also a 3-piece induction cooker by Teka. Okay, and it also comes with a ventilation fan. Yeah, you just on it. All right, then it's very good lah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we will look at the yard also. This is the yard. The yard comes with a sharp front top loader, washing machine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we will go and look at the rooms. Yeah. When you walk in the corridor, this is the common bathroom. Just a quick peek. Alright, it comes with a toilet, sink, and then a bidet, and also a rain shower. But it doesn't come with the one glass protector. Okay, so the next thing, the first room on the right. Here, this is actually the 2nd bedroom already. Yeah, the 2nd bedroom. When you enter, it comes with a queen size bed, a headboard, and also a divan below. It comes with a big piece of mirror. Yeah, you can choose to hang it on the wall if you want. It comes with curtain railings, double layer curtain railings, and also curtains. And also you have a makeup table. It comes with a makeup table. So this one you can slide. Yeah. Alright. So 1, 2, 3 piece down there. And then on the back side, you have a built-in wardrobe cabinet. So you have 3 partitions at the bottom and a smaller 3 up. Alright, so this is where you keep the bags, and all your daily clothes will be down here. So you also have a 1 horsepower aircon Daikin. Okay, so now let's go. So now back to here. On the right side is actually the master bedroom. So let's go in and see. Yeah. Alright, so now when we come in, you have a queen size bed with a headboard on top, and also a divan. And then you have makeup table with a makeup chair. You have the curtain railings, once again double railings with curtains. Yeah, you have 1.5 horsepower Daikin aircon, and also you have 2 developer provided full height wardrobe cabinet. So let's just have a quick look. How does it look like inside? All right. Yeah, this one we'll just put it back after this, and basically there's ample space to do anything you need. Okay, yeah, some things on top there. So here also all lots of space. Yeah, okay, and then now let's go and look at the master bathroom. You have toilet. Okay, you have a sink, and you have a shower screen with a glass door. Right, shower screen with a glass door, and also a rain shower on top and a hand shower. Yeah, okay. So now let's go and look at the final room. Right, up. Yeah, once you come here, right in front of the master bedroom is actually this is the third room. To me, I call this the third room. Okay, so you have a queen size bed. This room is furnished with a queen size bed and a headboard, also this one makeup table. All right, and then you have two windows with two sets of curtains. So the curtains in the house will basically cover all the windows in the house already. Yeah, so once again, just like the other room also, you have this built-in wardrobe. The bigger part is the daily use, and then the smaller part is for your non-daily use, keep your bags and all this. Alright, so it comes with a 1 horsepower Daikin aircon. So yeah, so with that guys, with that we have seen the whole house already. It's a very straightforward place, fully furnished, almost fully furnished, not fully furnished, but almost fully furnished. And yeah, you can see actually everything is almost here already. The only thing I would say that is not here is a TV. Why does the landlord not provide a TV? Because in the past, the tenant has actually requested to put their own TV. They wanted their own bigger TV. So, you know, if you really need a TV, you can request. If you don't need a TV, you have your own TV, you know, then by all means, just go ahead. Okay? So with that, we will make a move. And thank you for watching, guys. All right, have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.